Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited because I had this idea that I wanted to start a back to basics series. Maybe a full-on tutorial is a little bit too much, or you just want to scale it back a little bit and learn how to do each step and what each step is even there for. So I wanted to start a back to basics series and talk about each step of makeup and how to do it, why you do it, why it's important. Today, we're starting with the basis of all bases, and that is primer. Primer has been on the rise for quite a few years now. I think for a long time people used different products as primers, but now there's an entire category for them. Anytime you go into Ulta or Sephora or you're shopping online, you're at a department store, wherever you are, you're going to see primers. So, what are they good for? What are they good for? Let me tell you, primers can do different things. They can lock in your foundation longer. They can prevent creasing. They can give you extra luminosity. They can hold back oil. They can help to tighten your skin. There's all different kinds. I'm going to share with you 3 of my favorites and why. My first favorite, and the one I used on my wedding day, so I trust it. I trust it a lot, is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. Now this one is the pore minimizing one, so it's in the purple container, and the texture is something that I want to share with you really quickly. It has a very whipped texture. You can see right here. If you can feel it, it feels very soft, very silky, and that's because it has silicones in it that are going to fill in your pores and make them look smaller. So in this example that I'm going to show you in the footage I have here, you don't want to put on too much of this. It can actually have the opposite effect if you use and overuse the product too much. You want to take a little bit onto your fingertips and press it into the areas of your face where you see the biggest pores. Generally, you're going to see the largest pores around your cheek and nostril area, in between the brows, and a little bit on the chin. That's where most people experience larger pores. But wherever you see them on your own face, go ahead and press the product and really work it into your skin, because you don't want to keep it on the surface. The whole point is to put it inside each pore and fill that so you have an even, smooth surface to apply your foundation on. That's a pore filling primer. That's great for someone with oily skin or just pores. If that's your concern and you see that when you look at your bare skin in the mirror, that would be one to really check out. The Smashbox one is a total winner. The second primer I'm going to talk about is for someone who's looking for extra luminosity but still wants their foundation to stay on extra long. This is great for like a combination skin, or just someone who wants to look like they have that glow from within type of look. This is the Becca Backlight Priming Filter. It is more on the expensive side, but it's really beautiful. It applies like a dream. It kind of looks like a highlighter, but like a dulled down version of that, so that it diffuses the light on your skin. You can place this on the drier areas of your face. That will typically be the cheeks. I usually put a little bit on my forehead. I'll put a little bit on my nose, a little bit on my chin, and really just smooth it out. And then you'll see that the high points of your face are given a little bit of extra luminosity without looking overly greasy. This is a fantastic primer if you do have a drier to combination skin and you look at your skin in the mirror and you feel like it looks a little lackluster. Try this one out. I think you will not be disappointed. And the last primer is the most expensive out of all 3 because it has 24 karat gold in it. So there's that. This is the Peter Thomas Roth 24 Gold Pure Luxury Lift and Firm Prism Cream. So this is one that you would use if you have extremely dry skin, or you want an extreme amount of luminosity and illumination coming from your face. I typically will put this only on the high points of my face, so the tops of my cheekbones, and maybe a little bit on some other high points of my face like my nose or my chin, but I use it very sparingly because it can look greasy. It can look a little bit just too much. It looks too much like a piece of foil if you add too much. You need to know when to stop. So So take a very small amount and apply it to those areas of your face and you're good to go. The Peter Thomas Roth product is also really great if you're going to be outdoors and you don't want to wear foundation. Maybe you're by the pool, you're on vacation, you're at the beach, and you just want to apply something that's going to make your skin look filtered but in real life. If you apply that to the high points of your face, it will give your face a great luminosity, a tiny bit of coverage since it has some color to it, but mostly it's just going to make your skin look really healthy if you don't apply too much. Alright everybody, that is the end of the first episode of Back to Basics. I hope you enjoy. I think this will be helpful. I mean, I hope it's helpful. I think nowadays there's just such a saturation of products and product education on social media, in store, wherever you go, that it's hard to know what you're looking for, or like, why are you looking for it? Is it just because it's popular, or it's like the new it product, or is it because you and your skin actually need it? So I wanted to make this series. I hope that you can take it and use it to pinpoint what products you want in your beauty regime. And please don't forget to subscribe. I'm putting up 2 videos a week on Wednesday and Saturdays. I'm really excited about the content that I have coming out and about preparing it for you all. So subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you are not left behind when my videos get posted. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.